Guys, my name is Jesse from Signall. So today we're going to run through a quick actual pet drilling part of doing Braille. So we have our 2" by 2" square, which is eventually going to become a room number sign. So we just got done doing number 606, 605. Now we're going to do 604. So we'll label it so we can keep track. And then to make sure our work does not move around inside of the etching machine or the driller, whatever you want to call it. Make sure your surface is clean, everything's centered, and of course you have your work titled so you know which room number you're going to be doing. I'll come over here to our computer where we have our software, and I'm going to clear our last number out. And then we're going to close out of the actual work. Start again. So I'm going to rid of 605 since we just did that. I think I titled that 604, correct? So I'm double checking. I'm going to grab my art, bring it into the center of my 2" by 2" tile work that is also sitting on the drill machine. I'm going to check to make sure it's centered, and that looks pretty good to me. I'm going to highlight our Braille so that it only drills the Braille. Going to create a drill path. There's a bunch of numbers in here that I could show you, but I wouldn't want to bore you guys because the numbers and the settings and some of the methods of drilling change depending on which materials you use, how deep the material is, if it's hot, if it's cold, if I'm in a good mood or if I'm in a bad mood. It really depends. But yeah, you can find out that information online if you need to, but this is the basic process and these are the basic machines and best practices to use. We use here at Signall. So I'm going to go ahead and have that calculated. We're going to save it. We're going to send it to the machine here, and it should do what it's supposed to do. Okay, that's our work. It should have come out fine. We're going to make sure the drill stops so you don't hurt yourself. Remove the work. Clean it up. Check to make sure it cut. And it looks like it did. And then we're going to put in the Braille balls, but you're going to chime in for part 2 with Kim. She's going to show you guys how to put in the Braille balls. See you guys soon. Bye.